Today, I am excited to present to you retelling of the book, The Millionaire's Secret, by Mark Fisher. This insightful book unveils the strategies and mindset required to become a millionaire. Through a series of chapters, Fisher reveals the millionaire's secret to amassing wealth and achieving financial success. So, let's dive in and explore the main points of each chapter. Chapter 1. Unleashing the Millionaire Mindset. Mindset Shift. The first step towards becoming a millionaire is to change our mindset and beliefs about wealth. Goal setting. Set clear and specific financial goals that align with your vision of becoming a millionaire. Positive thinking. Cultivate a positive mindset and believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Persistence and determination. Success requires persistence and the willingness to overcome obstacles and setbacks along the way. Surround yourself with success. Associate with like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you to reach new heights. Continuous learning. Invest in personal development and acquire new skills and knowledge that can contribute to your financial growth. Take calculated risks. Be willing to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks to seize opportunities for financial advancement. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. View failures as stepping stones to success and learn from them rather than letting them discourage you. Time management. Efficiently manage your time and prioritize tasks that contribute to your financial goals. Visualize success. Visualize yourself as a millionaire and regularly reinforce that image to strengthen your belief in achieving wealth. These main points of the first chapter lay the foundation for adopting a millionaire mindset and set the stage for the subsequent chapters in the book. Chapter 2. Building a solid financial foundation. Importance of budgeting. Create a budget to track income and expenses, allowing you to control spending and prioritize savings. Living within means. Adopt a lifestyle that aligns with your financial capabilities, avoiding excessive debt and unnecessary expenses. Emergency fund. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, ensuring financial stability during unforeseen circumstances. Debt management. Develop a plan to manage and reduce debt, prioritizing high-interest loans and adopting strategies such as debt consolidation or negotiation. Saving habits. Cultivate a habit of regular saving, even if it starts with small amounts. Over time, savings will accumulate and compound. Pay yourself first. Prioritize saving by allocating a portion of your income toward your savings or investment accounts before paying other expenses. Retirement planning. Begin planning for retirement early, taking advantage of retirement accounts and investment vehicles. Insurance coverage. Ensure adequate insurance coverage for your health, property, and life to protect against unexpected financial burdens. Education and knowledge. Invest in financial education to gain knowledge about money management, investing, and personal finance. Long-term financial goals. Set long-term financial goals such as buying a home, starting a business, or achieving financial independence, and align your financial decisions accordingly. Chapter 3. Investing in yourself. Personal growth. Investing in yourself and your personal growth is a key element to becoming a millionaire. Continuous learning. You need to continuously learn and acquire new skills throughout your life. Skill development. It is important to identify and develop valuable skills that are in demand in the market. Networking. You need to build a strong network and develop relationships with other people in your field or industry. Mentorship. Seek out mentors who can provide guidance, share their experiences, and accelerate your personal and professional growth. Personal branding. Develop a personal brand that reflects your skills, experience, and unique qualities, helping you stand out from the competition. Emotional intelligence. The role of emotional intelligence in personal growth, self-awareness, empathy, and effective communication is important. Professional development. Invest in professional development opportunities such as workshops, seminars, and conferences to expand your knowledge and network. Lifelong learning mindset. You need to adopt a lifelong learning mindset. Constantly look for opportunities to grow and remain adaptable in a constantly changing world. These 10 main points of Chapter 3 in The Millionaire's Secret provide a foundation for investing in yourself and unlocking your potential for financial success. Chapter 4. Leveraging the power of passive income. Definition of passive income. Passive income refers to the money earned with minimal effort and time investment. It allows individuals to earn money continuously, even when they are not actively working. Diversifying income sources. The chapter emphasizes the importance of diversifying income sources to create multiple streams of passive income. This reduces reliance on a single source and enhances financial stability. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate is a popular avenue for generating passive income. The chapter explores strategies such as rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, and property flipping. Stock market investments. The chapter discusses the potential of stock market investments to generate passive income through dividends. It explores various investment options, including individual stocks, index funds, and dividend-paying companies. Building and monetizing a business. Starting a business and establishing systems that generate income without constant personal involvement is another way to create passive income. The chapter offers insights on identifying profitable business opportunities and scaling them for long-term success. Online businesses and digital products. The chapter delves into the realm of online businesses and the potential for generating passive income through digital products like ebooks, online courses, and software applications. Peer-to-peer lending. Exploring the concept of peer-to-peer lending platforms, the chapter explains how individuals can lend money directly to borrowers and earn interest on their investments. Dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. The chapter highlights the benefits of DRIPs, which allow investors to reinvest dividends back into the same stocks, compounding their returns and boosting passive income. Affiliate marketing. The chapter introduces affiliate marketing, where individuals earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. This form of passive income relies on building an online presence and attracting an audience. Automating and outsourcing. To truly leverage the power of passive income, the chapter emphasizes the importance of automating processes and outsourcing tasks. By freeing up time and energy, individuals can focus on expanding their passive income sources. Chapter 5. Mastering the Art of Entrepreneurship. Mindset of Successful Entrepreneurs. The chapter emphasizes the mindset and qualities necessary for entrepreneurial success. It highlights traits such as resilience, adaptability, creativity, and the ability to take calculated risks. Successful entrepreneurs embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and view failure as a stepping stone towards success. Identifying business opportunities. It emphasizes the importance of conducting thorough market research and identifying gaps in the market that can be filled with innovative products or services. Problem solving and innovation. The chapter emphasizes the importance of addressing customers' pain points and providing unique value propositions. It encourages entrepreneurs to think outside the box, explore unconventional approaches, and continuously innovate to stay ahead of the competition. Building a support network. Networking and building relationships are crucial for entrepreneurial success. The chapter highlights the significance of surrounding oneself with like-minded individuals, mentors, and industry experts. It emphasizes the power of collaboration, learning from others' experiences, and seeking guidance when needed. A strong support network can provide valuable insights, advice, and potential business opportunities. Resilience and persistence. Entrepreneurship is a challenging journey, and setbacks are inevitable. The chapter stresses the importance of resilience and persistence in overcoming obstacles. It encourages entrepreneurs to stay committed to their goals, adapt to changing circumstances, and learn from failures. Successful entrepreneurs view setbacks as learning opportunities and use them to grow stronger and refine their business strategies. These 5 main points from Chapter 5 provide a foundation for mastering the art of entrepreneurship and building a successful business. Chapter 6. Navigating the ups and downs of the market. Diversify your investments. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical regions, you can reduce the impact of market fluctuations on your overall portfolio. Stay informed and educated. To navigate the ups and downs of the market effectively, it is crucial to stay informed and continuously educate yourself about the economy, industry trends, and investment opportunities. By staying up to date, you can make informed decisions and take advantage of favorable market conditions. Manage risk. Managing risk is a key aspect of successful wealth accumulation. The chapter discusses various risk management strategies, such as setting stop-loss orders, using hedging techniques, and maintaining an emergency fund. By being proactive in managing risk, you can protect your investments during market downturns. Focus on long-term goals. Rather than being swayed by short-term market volatility, it is important to focus on your long-term financial goals. By maintaining a disciplined approach and avoiding emotional decisions, you can ride out market fluctuations and potentially achieve greater returns over time. Seek professional advice. The chapter highlights the value of seeking professional advice from financial advisors or wealth managers. These experts can provide personalized guidance, tailor investment strategies to your goals, and help you navigate the complexities of the market. Engaging with professionals can enhance your investment decisions and increase the likelihood of long-term financial success. Chapter 7. Embracing a Wealth Consciousness. Wealth Consciousness. In this chapter, Fisher emphasizes the concept of wealth consciousness, which refers to developing a positive and abundant mindset towards money and wealth. It involves recognizing the potential for financial abundance and embracing a mindset of gratitude and abundance. Power of gratitude. Fisher highlights the power of gratitude as a tool for cultivating wealth consciousness. Expressing gratitude for what one already has, whether it's financial resources, opportunities, or relationships, opens the door to attracting more abundance into one's life. Visualization and affirmations. The chapter discusses the practice of visualization and affirmations as effective techniques for manifesting wealth. Visualizing and affirming desired financial outcomes helps to align one's thoughts and actions with their wealth goals, creating a powerful magnet for success. Abundance mentality. Fisher encourages readers to adopt an abundance mentality, which involves believing that there is an abundance of wealth and opportunities available to everyone. This mindset shift helps individuals overcome scarcity thinking and opens them up to attracting more wealth into their lives. Giving back. The chapter emphasizes the importance of giving back to society as a component of wealth consciousness. Fisher discusses the idea that true wealth is not just about personal gain but also about making a positive impact on others. Engaging in philanthropy and contributing to causes that align with one's values can enhance overall wealth consciousness. Chapter 8. Giving back and leaving a legacy. Importance of philanthropy. The chapter emphasizes the significance of philanthropy in the journey towards becoming a millionaire. Giving back to society not only makes a positive impact on others but also creates a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Beyond financial wealth. It highlights that true wealth goes beyond financial success. Leaving a lasting legacy involves contributing to causes, organizations, and communities that align with one's values and passions. Making a difference. By using their resources and influence, millionaires can create positive change and inspire others to follow suit. Personal fulfillment. Engaging in philanthropic endeavors brings personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose. It allows millionaires to use their wealth to address societal issues and improve the lives of others. Long-term perspective. Leaving a legacy requires a long-term perspective. Millionaires are encouraged to think beyond their lifetime and consider the impact they can have on future generations. Financial planning for philanthropy. It emphasizes the importance of setting aside funds for charitable giving and incorporating it into one's overall wealth management strategy. Creating change. Millionaires are urged to take an active role in creating change. They can leverage their expertise, networks, and resources to address societal challenges and make a significant difference. Legacy building. Millionaires are encouraged to define their values and goals, and to establish mechanisms that will carry on their philanthropic efforts even after they are gone. Inspiring others. Lastly, the chapter emphasizes that millionaires have the opportunity to inspire others through their philanthropic actions. By sharing their journey and success stories, they can motivate others to give back and make a positive impact on the world. Chapter 9. The Millionaire's Secret Revealed. The true secret to becoming a millionaire lies in consistently applying the principles discussed throughout the book. Adopt a wealth-building mindset. Cultivate a mindset that is focused on creating and building wealth. Believe in your ability to achieve financial success. Invest wisely. Make informed investment decisions by conducting thorough research and seeking expert advice. Diversify your investments to mitigate risks. Nurture personal growth. Continuously invest in yourself by acquiring new skills, learning from mentors, and staying updated with industry trends. Personal growth is a key driver of success. Embrace opportunities. Be open to recognizing and seizing opportunities for financial growth. Keep an eye out for emerging markets, business prospects, and investment avenues. Manage risks. Understand and manage the risks associated with wealth creation. Implement risk mitigation strategies such as diversification, asset allocation, and proper financial planning. Take action. Merely understanding the principles is not enough, taking action is crucial. Implement the knowledge gained and consistently work towards your financial goals. Commitment to the journey. Becoming a millionaire requires dedication and perseverance. Stay committed to your financial journey, even in the face of challenges or setbacks. Give back to society. Philanthropy and giving back not only benefit others but also contribute to personal fulfillment. Use your wealth to make a positive impact on the world. Leave a lasting legacy. Consider the long-term impact of your actions and wealth. Aim to leave a meaningful legacy that extends beyond your lifetime. These 10 points reveal the essence of the millionaire's secret.